Will I be permitted to give a political prophecy in Ghana?
Go ahead.
So, I have a question to ask the IGP. Who happens to ask for that thing that Okujeto said is true? He's my son. The people that they say are my party members, NPP people, if they don't take care, they will lose almost 7 to 10 seats. Also don't take care, MPP will take over between 19 to 24 seats from them. And the result is obvious. The things are difficult. I know that there are 2 people coming. But the Lord has told me that by the 9th of December, His Excellency Dr. Bawumia shall be crowned the President of Ghana.
Sofupani Owusu Bempa sofo baako bi Ghana ha de wagidin yi pa efa ne prophecy anase ne nkomhya ya no de babontin efa nipa nyame yi ache ne se obeyo mampani ho na e kame se ase afiwe abaton de yente papa nkan na papa amafo bi sase papa na adan afi ase nyame onka ahwe enkyere wana eno na Reverend Owusu Bempa babontin yemi bi bekas or train November dru no babontin e de nyame yi ache no e ba betudwa na ase afi anye Sofupani Owusu Bempa nko na nyame yi bibi ache no se ne mpempe ya na nyame yi cha asofo bebe momba bontin beka no Reverend Kusi Boateng so Sofupani baako wo Ghana ha ono so agidin yi pa no so aba bontin abekire se nyame yi akire no eda abakra na ebe declare ene nipa obedi omampani ene ne NDC fo ebeye de afa ho na ensem na waka no ama Ghana fo ni NDC fo nyina enso no egujema mo yema hwe pa sa video na mensaka na de ba beso meso so subscribe ama page we eye too much o subscribe we ya mi adomo so ama upload be dia unsa etimi aka abusia se na yenyina nim se afi eya abato afi a asofo bebere na e na e hye nkom e kire wo mo nyame eyi a kire mo se omba beyi omampani omo a e kire se ebinim akra anim emba ballot paper so e kire wo mo so a e kire se ebimu time enso so bedi omampani no mo ntwen kakra no wo mo so e kire wo mo so a e kire se e wo se video mani so ade hu e kekon bi die ho ansa na wetimi aba beyi omampani wo Ghana ha no omo nyina so enamu a omo kire na Reverend Kusi Boateng so Sofupani baako wo Ghana ha no kwasa no se wagidin yi pa ehwehwemu kra e kire se fi 1992 Ghana cha se yeto abano enkomhye bi papa yi ahyede afa abato ho no ento ofom kwa a emmemu ne enkomhye nyina abamsa na hwehwemu no e kire na papa yi aba abonten edi nipa nyame eyi ache ne se afia bato no so obedi mu enkunim no papa ya ba abonten aba abetudwa no se Ghana se ne nyenim se 7 December ene ebeto ya aba no papa yi kire se an sa ne ebeto aba no pepe beto no 7th December ne mum yeto aba ne wie 7 December na mema Ghana fo hwe kwan se ba be declare nipa be president no 7 December na ne mum papa ne se edabi ene ebe declare eyadaben papa no ama na nso ha osan kirem ka se esa se yeto aba ne 7 December ni wie a yen declare aba ne 7 December nintino enu bema NPP fo NDC fo aye bibi edien e na NDC fo ebeye abusia medu sa video na pese ye konne kohwe na se bekokwe sa video no ene ne NDC fo beye ene eda e be declare abano ene nipa anyame ayi ache ne se obeye mampani nyina no me kai wo se eye cake center ena asoma sena me dwumede ebro cake center se ode bosome baako asiho a ode eche new beginner se ne ye 2 cake ene se ne ye decoration ene de entine fie enka se adwuma ni ho ko cake center no nche se ne wode wonsa ebeye adwuma enye office adwuma nko na ye adwuma abusua kwa na kosua se ne wonso betimi de wonsa aye bibi ama ho frɛ cake center I was 0554-640187 0554-640187 cake center ewodan so ban enchemu bi apebia frɛ number na obebo wo enchemu wa obidi kan akonso cake center say or discount befu edema abusua ka me ho na yenkonne kohwe se ne papa ne nkomhye no ebae ne NDC fo ebeye nipa obedi nkunim ene eda ebe declare election.
Will I be permitted to give a political prophecy in Ghana?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Flow.
I have a question to ask the IGP. Who happens to ask for that thing that Okujeto said is true? He's my son. Why is it that political scientists can give a forecast and nobody will tell them to stop? Some will give a forecast and say that during this election, this one will lose or win. Nobody talks about it. And that is what they have studied. Unfortunately for me, I dropped out of school. And this is my profession. So why would you allow me Or you still don't believe me as a prophet? Watch this. The people that they say are my party members, NPP people, if they don't take care, they will lose almost 7 to 10 seats. But then, if NDC also don't take care, MPP will take over between 19 to 24 seats from them. But then, the election is on the 7th. On the 8th, the result will not come. Everybody shall be jittery. The result will come on the 9th. Some people will try to cause mayhem so that people shall die. And interestingly, they will call people on the street. And the first day, only 1,000 people will show up. The second day, no one will show up. And there shall be peace. And the result is obvious. The things are difficult. I know that there are 2 people coming. But the Lord has told me that by the 9th of December, His Excellency Dr. Bawumia shall be crowned the President of Ghana. This is not, you know what? This thing has taken me a very long time to say, because I wanted to be certain that this is not my emotion. And for those of you who are my children, you can go through the archives. Not one single prophecy of mine has fallen down void. Let me say this. In the next 7 years, this nation is going to experience an acceleration of advancement that it has never experienced in the past 50 or 60 years. Young men, young women, don't run away from this country. God is gonna visit us one more time. I'm not prophesying because I like anybody or I hate anybody. Let me be frank and tell you. Bawumia is my friend. He has never given me $1 before. If anything, I have rather lost a lot of things for just being a friend. And it's not because, hey, I'm not doing politics here. Don't fool around there. I'm serious. I'm serious. This is about the destiny of this nation. And this is what I've seen. And if anybody will take it personal, it is their problem. At the end of the day, the prophets will be numbered, and then the false prophets will be known. Watch this, giving a distinct political prophecy doesn't make me a politician. I am too big to become a politician.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
Will I be?
Ebusia, afi yakwa kotie papa no senior kan nsem no fa na asemi beto odwa na bi mu kra eche se wo sofo ekra se asem wo ho enye sofo we no kudeto ablakwa eba abonten be kan nsem bi fa ho se papa yi ase ne bibi enkoyie ewo no ho ewo ne business bi a oye mu ana ebi so kra eche se an esan se one MPP wo ayonko fenti opeso oba be kan se ne nempai wo nyina se Bawumia enim kunim nanka ensem okudeto ablakwa ka fa ne ho no a eno krampo anhwe ebetimi ma ne na akwakoda mu no na wonya ne ti edi edidim ebi so eche se ne opai enkom hye ba ya ento fom da na ne obeka bia eba mu no ebia na eno kra se eyampa nyame ena ayi ache ne nti MPP fo eda omo na fi nyame edikan asi Bawumia president no ewie sen ena won so wadwen eche difference mu eyampa se nyame ena ni asofo no ekasa eche nipa nipa obedi omampani na anasa ya na eya sofo na omayonko fa eda omo ne party ne entem na wo mu gina so ede ba bonten ebeka anasa ya na ebinumu eka ede apefem we mu nyina eye questions a eba aside sesofo yi ede prophecy no eba beto abonten ma ye hu nyina wadwenkyere e wo comment ho aha eye too much eya subscribe ma page wi ni adoma no so ama upload bi bia wonsa etimi aka ebusu ya follow me so e wo Facebook eye too much macra